Hey YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to make some of the best vegetable soup that you have ever had. And it's so easy. So check this out. Alright, so we've got a pretty big soup pot. I'm going to put this on medium to medium low heat. You don't want to crank it up too much. And you want a couple tablespoons of olive oil. Right in there and let that get hot. Then here's our veggies that we're going to start with. So I've got 1 whole onion, 3 carrots, 3 stalks of celery, and 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. I can't really remember exactly what I did. It's however much you like. And this all comes right in here. Try not to drop it all over the floor. Well, doesn't want to turn loose of the plate. Here. Alright, so those are going to go right in there. And to that, we're going to add 2 potatoes, russet potatoes. You could use other kinds if you wanted to. I always have russet potatoes. They are delicious. Everybody loves them. They are dirt cheap, packed with nutrition. And normally, I would leave the peel on. I'm not sure why I peeled it today. I like the nutrition and the fiber in the skin of the potato. Alright, now, this is going to sit here for about 10 minutes. The only other thing I'm going to do is add about 2 teaspoons of kosher salt and about a teaspoon of black pepper. That's it. So we're going to give this a stir. I'm going to go do something else for a minute and let this just start coming together. Alright, we'll be back. Alright, so we've had about 10 minutes and this has just kind of come together and I gave it a stir every once in a while. Now we're going to go to the next step. So we're adding a quart of chicken broth. You can use vegetable, you can use beef, whatever you like. We are adding 2 cans of diced tomatoes. You can use crushed if you want. That's fine. It's hard to mess this up. Alright, this is 1 can of corn and I did not drain it. I like the extra liquid. Let me turn it up a little bit. I have 1 can of dark red kidney beans. Now, on those kidney beans, if you're using canned beans, which I do all the time, drain them and then rinse them. I don't know what that smudge is that they pack beans in, but it's not nice. So drain them, give them a rinse. Much, much better. We may need a little more liquid in here. We'll see in a few minutes. Okay, to this, I'm going to add 2 bay leaves. And if your bay leaves, if you've just bought them, give them a smell, because if it's super, super strong, you don't want to overwhelm your soup with too much, so I would use 1. These are not super, super strong, so I'm using 2. And this is a bundle of fresh thyme. I would say altogether that's 2 to 3 tablespoons. And I just tied it together to make it easier to fish the stems out. I'm not going to mess with pulling all that off the stems. And then this is our final bit. This, I had both collard greens and fresh spinach. You can use all of one or both, or you can throw turnip greens in, whatever you want. I'm just adding this. It looks like a ton, but whoops. Greens will wilt down to next to nothing. So it looks like there's a lot more volume than there actually will end up being once it's done. Okay, so this is just going to come to a simmer, and I'm going to let it simmer for about 20 minutes. I can't get anything off the plates today. We'll let it simmer for about 20 minutes, and y'all, that's going to be about all it takes for this. This stuff is awesome. All right, we'll be back. Our vegetable soup is ready. I forgot completely how long it took. Maybe about 20 minutes. What you're looking for is for the potatoes and the carrots to be tender and cooked through, and for the collards to be tender. So however long that is, that's it. That's all you gotta do. Now the final step is a little bit of lemon juice. It's about 2 tablespoons. And a little bit of parsley. Now, if you like your soup soupier, go ahead and throw in another cup or 2 of whatever broth you like, chicken or vegetable, or you know what? I've thrown in cans of V8, and it was really good. And then don't forget, somewhere in here, there is a little bundle. Wait a minute. There, ha. That's our thyme, which is kind of giving it up. That's all that's gonna let us have. And then you've got bay leaves, got 2 bay leaves in here somewhere. Just don't bite into those. You can go ahead and fish them out. I usually tell my kids that it's good luck if they find the bay leaf, and then I just save myself a step. That was totally cheating when you all were little. Alright guys, this stuff is so good. Perfect vegetable soup. I'm gonna fog up the camera lens with the steam. Man, that's the best vegetable soup you'll ever have. Hey YouTube, thanks for watching, and if you thought that video was helpful, do me a huge favor. Hit like, hit subscribe, hit the little bell so you get a notification whenever I post a new video. And if you have a second, hop on over to Patreon and check out how to support my channel even more. Again, thanks for watching.